Want to convert the drawing into PDF form? Welcome back everyone. Let's start with episode 6 part 2. Please note, in this video, we are working in model layout. If your settings are not done at all, go watch part 1, as you need to set them at least once. Once the settings are done, they remain saved. Now, when you convert a drawing to PDF from model layout, you usually don't need to change the settings again, which will be shown in the further video. And in layout space, even if the settings are saved, you often need to adjust them again each time. This is the main difference between using model space and layout space for PDF conversion. Now let's begin with the video. Go to model layout. Then go to print. You can see that the setting is already saved, so just go to Windows, plot the drawing whichever you want to convert, choose your drawing orientation and preview to check your outcome, press Escape, now click OK. Now choose desktop or any folder you want, then write any file name. And save. Now cross this file and you may see that your PDF is saved in the desktop. Thank you for watching.